Okay, so the water softener wasn't lasting very long, had to regenerate every few days, not very practical, so instead I'm now going with the reverse osmosis. The RO is fed from the tap to here to a pressure limiting valve, 1/4 inch press fit into a sediment filter, first one carbon filter, and then a reverse osmosis filter here. This black one is the reject from the reverse osmosis, that's the stuff that doesn't get through the membrane. This white one is the clean, pure water, so all of the salts get concentrated into here, all of the water is pure in there. That goes into the top of this big 250 litre tank. It's fit with a float valve on the top, so it just keeps it topped up. When that happens, when it fills up, it just stops, just like a normal cistern. This is the suction line. It's getting a kink in it, I don't like that. That's the suction line and it's got this PVC to keep it down the bottom. So suction line off to this pump here, and then this is the discharge from the pump going up onto the roof. So this has a pressure switch, so when the line is blocked up the top, so there's 2 tanks on the top with float valves on them, so when they're full, the float valve blocks off the flow. That restricts the flow here. But if I turn the flow on here, so then the pump kicks into gear and RO water drops out here. So it's now automatic. Pump only turns on when the tanks on the roof are starting to go, and the RO system switches off automatically when that blue tank is full. I'm now calibrating the temperature switches on the roof so that it runs through roughly 1 tank full in the day. Yeah, that should give me about 500 watts extra at peak. The reject line got going down into here, so this is going to go off to, I'll have some drip, some porous tube that'll go in under these garden beds just along there. So these garden beds will be kept nice and healthy just from this. There's not much water, but it's, you know, it's sort of continuous when the thing's filling up. So, and that's all.